presenting the Infinix Zero 5G. The phone has display of 17.22 cm, 6.78 inch. The phone also has Full HD Plus display. It has 16MP front camera. It has 48MP plus 13MP portrait lens plus 2MP bokeh lens. It comes with 5000 mAh Li-ion polymer battery. It has 8 GB RAM and expandable up to 256 GB. 128 GB ROM and expandable memory up to 256 GB. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor. It also features front camera and internet. The delivery box contains handset, adapter and USB Type-C cable. TPU case, protective screen guard and SIM ejector pin.